Would you pay $4,000 for Sisterlocks? Good morning. Good morning. What you see right now is the results of me braiding and banding my hair 2 nights ago and still not shampooing my hair. I'm going to take it out. But before I take these braids out of my hair, or while I'm taking these braids out of my hair, let me say thank you, subscribers. Thank you for hanging in there with me. Thank you for getting me to the 1,000 and more mark. Thank you. Thank you for those who saw it before I did, and you've already congratulated me. Now, I will address that in another video, how we are going to celebrate that 1,000 mark. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the Gene G family. Help this channel to grow. Join in with the Sisterlock conversations, and let us talk also about the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. I am always elated to respond to your comments on my videos, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Now, I've already taken the band off of 2 of my braids, and I am going to go ahead and see what it's going to turn into. I was in a Sisterlock group the other day, and the question was asked, would you pay $4,000 for Sisterlock? There was a picture of a young lady, and she had a lot of hair, but of course it was in an afro, and there's no way that we could determine how long her hair was. There was a lot of comments in reference to whether or not they would pay that much for Sisterlocks. Of course, some people say that's why I chose Microlocks, but the question pertained to Sisterlocks. There was one comment that seemed to stand out so much for me, and that was the comment that said something to the effect of, there's no regulation to these Sisterlock prices. You know, they can charge just about whatever they want to. And that's true. That is also true. And I realize that there's no regulation to a lot of prices. It all depends on what you're buying, where you are, and the brand or the reputation of a product. And as I read the comments and considered the question, I didn't comment, but I thought about it. And I thought about purses, and that there was a purse that I wanted, and it was a quilted purse, a leather quilted purse. And I saw it, and I've been looking at it for years, but that purse was over $1,000. And I just could not see myself paying for that purse. I often use the analogy of purses to someone who asked the question about the price of Sisterlocks. Of course, we know that the price for Sisterlock depends on the length of your hair, the density of your hair, and also the size of your head. Now, my analogy using a purse is like this. I could go to a store, buy a purse for $19.99. The purse is not leather. The purse has no name brand. But the purse will hold everything that I want the purse to hold. And then I can go somewhere and I could buy a smaller purse that has a name brand, that is leather, that has a reputation for holding up for years, for over $1,000. It all depends on what you want and how much you are willing to pay. If you really, really want a Louis Vuitton and you can afford it and you don't mind spending that much money, you'll do it. And what can I say? It's your money. You wanted it. So it's up to you. So what you're willing to pay for a purse is up to you. What you're willing to pay for your clothing is up to you. And what you're willing to pay for your locks is up to you. And also, when it comes to Sisterlocks, we know that Sisterlocks is branded. We've all come to the conclusion that Sisterlocks will cost us more than Microlocks. But then if your hair is very long, someone with shorter hair can get Sisterlocks for less than you getting Sisterlocks, and could possibly in a few years end up with the length of hair that you have. There's just several things to think about when you're considering what you're willing to pay for Sisterlocks or anything else that you want in life. Now I'm going to share with you a purse that I've wanted for a long time, but not willing to pay the money for. This is my Yves Saint Laurent purse. I was not willing to pay the money for this. And I just want you to know that I didn't. But I was blessed with this purse and did not have to pay over $1,000 for it. I thank God for it. And notice I say I was blessed with it. There's a whole story behind that would really extend this video beyond what I would like for the length of this video to be. I just wanted you to consider the prices that we pay for the things that we want. And I want you to answer the question, what is the most that you would pay for Sisterlocks? Because Sisterlocks can be very expensive. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And I just want to say thank you, God, for all that you've done for me. Thank you for being a part of my life and being in my circle. Have a great day.